Hello, in this video we'll see fiddle or alphabet me in Tigrigna. As you can see here on the right, I have me, mu, mi, ma, me, mo. I want to show you of how we write them. Okay, so I will write the first one, which is me. I will make 7 me. See me of how am I writing me? Okay. So now I will add some features, things like round or lines to me, and then we will be able to write the trailing alphabets of me. So for example, this is mu, this is mi, this is ma, this is me, this is me, this is mo. So what I'm doing is, this is me, for example, like this one. This is mo, this is me, see here. This is mu, this is me. Ma, see here, me. So let's write them very quickly here, all of them. Me, mu, mi, ma, me, around here. Me, mo. Okay. So this is all about me. Okay. So this will be a mu. This is gonna be me. This is ma, me, me here, me, and finally mo. Okay, so adding these vowels here, like a, e, me, you, mu, mi, ma, me, mo. Okay, so this is all about me. Please practice this and make sure that you write it correctly. Okay, I will come with other fiddle or alphabet in the next video. Thank you.